My name is Dave Cummin. I'm an MD, and I'm in the Department of Primary Care. I received my Bachelor's of Science in Human Nutrition at The Ohio State University, and then I received my MD at The Ohio State University. I have been in primary care for 32 years. I know the ins and outs of the field and its challenges. And I still love the feeling of helping someone overcome a disease and return to normal life. That is a true success. Travel while you can, because you won't always be able to travel. That is the key to seeing the world and understanding it. I enjoy traveling with my family and seeing new people and new things and new places. My goal is to get you to 95, and after that, you're on your own. Doesn't mean I won't be there with you, but we'll do it together after that.